Hi, my name is Larry Newman. I'm a DWI defense attorney in New York. I handle DWI cases from Binghamton in the south of me to Seneca County north of me to Steuben County west of me all the way over to Cortland. I'm based in Ithaca, New York. Today I'd like to talk about hardship license, or what we call a hardship privilege. When your case first comes to court for a DWI, whether it's a DWI and it's a refusal case where you don't take the breath test, or a DWI breath test case where you took the test back at the station. I always like to differentiate between the two types of tests. The one out in the field is called the alco sensor, or just a screening. It is not admissible in court to show a blood alcohol concentration in the blood. We call it BAC in the blood based on breath. It is only admissible to show the consumption of alcohol. Now, the test back at the station is called a chemical test, also known as the breathalyzer test to most people. If that breath test shows 0.08 or higher, or somebody refuses to take that test, there is a suspension of your license privilege upon the arraignment, which is also called the initial appearance. The judge will take away your full driving privileges within the state of New York. Now, for people that have out-of-state license privileges, your privilege to drive in New York State will be suspended. You can, at that time, apply for what's called a hardship privilege. A hardship privilege is for 3 reasons: driving to and from a job, or to and from work, to and from education, college, or driving to and from medical care. And that to and from is very specific, because if somebody has to drive for work, that hardship privilege will not apply for driving for work. It'll only be driving to and from work. Proof must be brought to court with you to show distances. The overall catchphrase legally is no alternative reasonable means of transportation needs to be demonstrated to the judge, which can be accomplished by showing distance, by showing lack of public transportation, nobody else to drive you. All those types of reasons can be taken into consideration by the judge. And the width of the privilege, or the breadth of the privilege, can extend to job sites if somebody's a construction worker, but it's not going to extend if somebody is visiting clients, customers, or driving to deliver. That privilege is not going to apply for that reason. So remember that when you're applying for the hardship privilege, that it's for at least the first 30 days. It could extend past the first 30 days, but it's for those first 30 days after the initial appearance. After that, we'll talk about the next phase, which is called a PCCL by the DMV, or what's called a pre-conviction conditional license privilege. Now, you can call me anytime, 607-229-5184. Or you can go to my website. My main website is ithacadwi.com, ITHACADWI.com. I'd be more than happy to take a look at your case and your situation and see if I can help you. Have a great day.